In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly what a honey pack is. I'm gonna break down each and every ingredient in a honey pack and explain what each of their mechanisms are individually and exactly how they affect your body. Stick around to the end of the video because there's one secret ingredient in honey packs that most people don't go over, and I'm gonna let you guys know what it is and how it potentially might be affecting you. So make sure you stick around for that. I'm gonna be reading off of exactly what's on the back of a honey pack. So I'll show you. This is what a honey pack looks like right here. I'm gonna be reviewing the VIP Royal Honey brand. So this is the most common one. There are different types of honey packs, and for the most part, they all kind of do the same thing, but you do wanna be looking for the authentic ones. And for the most part, the VIP Royal Honeys are the most authentic. If you guys want me to make a video going over how to differentiate like a real honey pack from a fake one, comment down below. And if that's something that you're interested in, I could make that for you guys. But here is the back of honey packs, and you will see that they put the ingredients right up here. It's in really tiny letters, but I'll go over and break down each and every one for you guys. The first ingredient in it, royal honey. Honey is supposed to be just like a natural tonic for the body. It's supposed to help you with like vitality, making you more vigorous. There's a lot of like nutrients that makes up honey. So of course that's gonna be the base of the honey pack. It's actually gonna be honey, but they add extra things and like supplements on top of it, which is really where honey packs get their punch from. The second ingredient, and this is actually one of my favorite supplements just in general, is Tribulus terrestris. So they say that they put Tribulus terrestris in here, and if you guys don't know about it, it's a supplement that's actually pretty commonly used within the fitness community. So if you guys don't know, on my channel I post like workout and exercise videos as well, but I work out a lot, I weightlift, and Tribulus is actually the supplement that I use for my pre-workout. So a lot of people will take like pre-workout powder to give them energy whenever they go to the workouts, to make sure they have enough energy to like push through and finish their set strong, and you know, really just have more energy and endurance while they're at the gym. And I experimented with that in the past, but I found out that it just made me like jittery, itchy, I would get headaches. And then I stumbled across Tribulus terrestris. It's like a really old herb, and basically what it does is it helps you increase testosterone, supposedly, but it helps you with other things. So for me, I noticed that it helped me with my lifting in the gym. I have Tribulus by itself as a supplement. I take 2 like pill capsules of it. And I noticed too, even from taking it before, that it did have some effects that helped me in the bedroom. It was a mystery side effect. Like I didn't know that it was gonna help me in the bedroom. But I remember when I first started taking Tribulus with my girl, I started taking it whenever I would like, you know, be getting into sexy time with her. I noticed something. I noticed that I could go a lot longer than normally. So say if like on average, okay, like maybe I would last like maybe 5-10 minutes off the Tribulus, I was lasting like 20-30 minutes. Like basically it made it harder to bust. So that's the first ingredient. Tribulus is probably one of the best in here. The second ingredient, maca root. So if you guys are in the supplement community, you know about maca root. You've probably heard of it before, but maca root is a Peruvian root. Basically these tall mountains in Peru, they find this root, and what it's mainly used for is maca helps increase your libido. So what is libido? Libido is like the want to have sex, like the want to engage in like that sexual manner. A lot of times, a lot of guys who have things like ED or performance anxiety, a lot of that comes from just not having enough interest in the person that you're with, your partner, and that can come from low libido. Some of us just have lower libido levels naturally, and taking things like maca does actually help that. Just similar to Tribulus, I take maca individually as a supplement, and same thing happened. I remember with my ex before, my girlfriend I had before, I started taking maca, and I noticed that whenever I would take maca root, I just almost became this ferocious being. Like I really wanted her. Like I'd just be doing something regular, like I don't know, cleaning my car or something, and then the thought would come across me, and I'd be like, wait, where's my girl? Like I want to like pounce on top of her. So the maca that they put in the honey packs is for that effect as well too. It raises your libido, so you have more of a natural arousal to actually have a want for whoever your partner is. The next ingredient that they put in here is Uricoma longfolia, otherwise known as Tongkat Ali. Tongkat Ali is a male supplement that is touted to actually help you increase your testosterone. They've done multiple tests and studies on this, and they've shown that Tongkat Ali does actually raise men's testosterone levels. So this isn't like some bro math or bro science, whatever. Like they actually have studies backing up how Tongkat Ali does increase your testosterone. Again, I've personally taken the supplement by itself, and guys, it's so potent. I remember the first time I took Tongkat Ali, I was working at a bar in downtown LA, and the first time I took Tongkat Ali, I remember I walked into work and there was like girls that I didn't even like normally wouldn't even think of them in that way or whatever. I remember like just seeing some girls and I'm like, dang, like these girls are looking extra good today. Like it was almost like something came over me where like I just was like seeing them like kind of like in like that way for the first time of like, wow, they're really attractive. And that was from, I believe, to be increased testosterone. Now, Tongkat Ali can be really potent, and I like how in here, I've never experienced some of the side effects that I've experienced with taking it by itself. So when I take Tongkat Ali by itself, I experience some side effects like more of an aggressive mood, and then also my joints will hurt, but I haven't experienced any of that from the Tongkat Ali in here. So that's actually a really good one because it has proven results to increase your testosterone, which of course is gonna help you in the bedroom. And the final ingredient that they have listed here is Panax ginseng. Panax ginseng is something that's used more over in Asian countries, and a lot of those like K-pop, like K-TV shows, like reality shows, they'll have something that's kind of similar to a honey pack. It's like a little packet, like satchel, and it'll just be straight all Panax ginseng. And a lot of times students will take it before they have a test, or people will take it early in the morning, kind of like coffee, because Panax ginseng is known to give you natural energy. Not like in the way that caffeine does or some other type of stimulant, but it gives you almost like a brain energy. So that's why in those shows, these guys take Panax ginseng before they have a test, or like early in the morning before school, or even doctors would take it before they would go about their day working in their practice, because it gives you kind of like an internal energy that just makes you like more motivated, gets you more like psyched in. So I believe that the Panax ginseng and the honey pack just kind of gets you like more like dialed in, because there's been times off the honey pack, guys, I felt like I was like a professor in the bedroom. Like I was just like fully in there, like nothing could pull me out of it. I'm like zoned in, I'm psyched in. So Panax ginseng is another good ingredient that they put in here. All right, guys, since you stuck around to the end of the video, I'm gonna let you guys know a secret ingredient that's said to be in honey packs. Now, guys, don't quote me on this because I don't know if it's actually true. I don't know if it's actually in honey packs, but you can look it up online. It has been shown that the FDA has tested some honey packs before, and there's been found to be traces, like really small amounts of tadalafil in it. And if you guys don't know what tadalafil is, it's actually Cialis. Now, Cialis is similar to Viagra, where men that have like ED that are like older, so like, you know, in their 40s or whatever age, 40s, 50s, 60s, they'll take Cialis basically every day because it just helps you with your blood flow in your body, but specifically down there in that region down there. And it just helps you to get an erection and helps you maintain and keep it up. So the FDA tested some honey packs and they found small traces of tadalafil in it. And that can be a little bit worrisome, especially if you're a person that's out there that wants to take a honey pack because it's told it to be all natural. Well, if there's tadalafil in it, then at that point, it's not all natural anymore. That's actually like a medicine. It's actually like a medication that like your pharmacist or your doctor would give you. So I would say look it up online. I'll try to put an article below to kind of just like back up my source, whatever. But that has been shown to be a secret ingredient in honey packs. Now, on the flip side of that, if you are a person that's like okay with taking like more medicine or pharmaceutical stuff, like if you're fine with that, then it's actually pretty good because you get the benefit of all these ingredients that I listed and told you about today, plus the medicine of tadalafil, which is like proven to work as a drug for people in the bedroom. So it's almost like kind of a double whammy. You're getting like a honey pack and like kind of like a slightly different form of Viagra. Just something that I thought I would let you guys know. Comment down below, what do you think about these ingredients? Do you think that they're actually helpful and that it's good that they're in a honey pack? Or would you rather it be like less ingredients, different ones in there? And then comment what your experience have been if you have taken honey packs before, or if you're thinking about using it. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications because I do post videos like this every single day. And if this video resonated with you, check out this video of me reviewing Blue Chew versus honey packs over here. I love you guys, and I'll speak with you very soon. I'll see you tomorrow.